Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 8th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, kind of ranging around the last couple of days after that huge push down that we had. We did get a break of structure yesterday, so I would kind of be leaning towards up now. I still don't really know for sure whether we really did find a bottom on the higher time frames. If you go all the way up to the monthly, this is actually a 78% fib bounce right here. So I think there is a possibility that this could be a bottom, but I would definitely be looking at this move up as possibly another cuts into this last wave down just in case. With this break of structure, I would expect it to at least go up to one of these higher Fibonacci levels. So if we get something like this, and then we get some sort of an aggressive turn at a Fibonacci level, especially if it's some sort of a three-wave up move like ABC or WXY or some sort of a flat, then I would definitely take it as a short again for the continuation of the downtrend. On the other hand, if it doesn't make a very overlapping corrective pattern, which is a big difference, but instead makes impulsive moves with no breaks of structure, then that probably is telling us that this really is a bottom and that we really should be looking for logs. But with this break of structure, I think I'd be leaning towards up, either expecting this picture, or if it's a correction into the downtrend, I would expect to see something like this. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.